Na Kingston haze in a me pocket, yeah man. Me sit on the rock, feel the earth below. Heartbeat rhythm from long time ago. Me close me eyes, chanting a trance. Hear the drum of ancestors dance. Them whisper truth in a breeze so fine. Them guide me soul beyond the time. Me nah watch clock, me nah chase fame. Me walk with spirits, them call me name. Me bones remember Africa's soil. Me soul ignite like ancient isle. Me light the chalice, give thanks for breath. Me chant your name till me meet death.
Dub of the ancients rise in a smoke. Rhythm so deep it break the yoke. Echoes of Zion, wisdom wide. Me tread this path, me nah go high.
Every baseline is a prayer.
Every echo say Jah is near.
Every baseline is a prayer.
Every echo say Jah is near.
Thunder drum beat pan midnight sky. Lightning flash when me spirit fly. Me walk in vision, me see the past. Me know that truth will always last. From Nile to Kingston, from roots to sky. Me sing for the ones who not ask why. Me step through realm where words can't reach. Me chant through sound, me soul fi teach. Me nah need crown, me nah need stage. Me dub a temple, me mic a sage. Me reach that state where Babylon fear. A peaceful mind so crystal clear. Me burn herb on the sacred fire. Me chant till me soul rise higher. Me link with drum, me chant with breeze. Me talk with trees, me sit at tea. Every note a spell, every skunk a sign. Me feel Jah breath between each line. Me no perform, me transform. Me dub is storm, me heart is warm.
Dub of the ancients holy song. Shake the ground and spin it round. Me voice a river, me word a sea. Me plant in a heart where people need.
Dub come deep like morning mist.
Heal your mind and clench your fist.
Dub come deep like morning mist.
Heal your mind and clench your fist.
Me record rhythm pan stone and air. It echo in cave, it dwell in prayer. Me nah use auto, me use soul. Me chant for youth, for Jah control. Me eye red but me sight divine. Me smoke for Jah, me drink no wine. Me whole vibration, me hold the ground. Me spread truth through dub wise sound. Me hear the cry of Africa's womb. Me chant to clear the fear and gloom. Me no forget the elders fight. Me carry torch, me burn the night. Me dub a spaceship, me mic a drum. Me ride the rhythm till kingdom come. Me sing not just fi entertain. Me chant fi purge your soul from pain.
The fading echo, me voice still stay. Me ancient song can't wash away.
Yeah, man. Me wake with sun pon me face, chalice ready in sacred place. Roots man heart, me nah lose pace. Me walk with Jah, me move in grace. First light it and me light the flame. Me burn the herb, me call Jah name. Me no smoke fi run away. Me smoke fi clear me inner way. Earth provide this plant of peace, a sacrament will never cease. Me connect with wind and tree. This method church and set I free. Mystic herb in a chalice burn. Teach the soul and make it learn. In a this smoke, me vision clear. Jah whisper truth, me love fear. Burn it slow, no rush the vibe. Ganja guide the Rasta tribe. Me sit pan hill, me eye them red. Me mind so clean, me spirit fed. This a healing, this a light, this a roots man, higher flight. Me no need no doctor pill. This green leaf give natural thrill. Me connect with stars, me float pan sky. Me meditate and feel Janike. From Ethiopia to Westmoreland, the sacred herb come from Jahan. Them try fi ban it, try fi shame, but still the fire remain the same.
Inhale love, exhale fear. Feel the presence, Jah is near. Inhale peace, exhale hate. Mystic herb open jiga.
Me not chase hype, me chase stillness. Me life a dub, me breath a witness. Every pull a deeper thought, every exhale show what Jah brought. Mystic herb in a chalice burn. Soul get wisdom every turn. Ganja speak in holy code. Rasta walk that righteous road. Green like hope, soft like breeze. Bring the Babylon to its knees. Me no puffy style or trend. Me puffy truth will never end. Me no flex pan screen or stage. Me flex with roots man, ancient rage. Me garden full, me hand them clean. Me grow the herb like African queen. It nurture me like mountain spring. Me chant and let in a ya bingy ring. This herb no make me slack or slow. It teach me where me heart must go. Me reason deep with lion them. Me chant and chant again and again.
So when you see the smoke rise high, know say Jah dwell up in the sky. Mystic herb, me sacred flame. Me burn it proud, call Jah name.
It not fi hype, not fi shame. Me burn it fi love, not fi fame. Inna the rhythm, me so rejoice. Ganja lift up me inner voice. Ay, ay, ay. Ganja, ganja is the life, yeah, man. From the hills of Zion, it grows so wild, like wisdom whispered from Jah to the child. Me cut it fresh, still dripping dew. Sacred herb, me know you're true. Me light this spliff with holy flame. Me not just smoke, me call your name. Jah plant it for we, not feed them lab. Me burn it clean, me nah need tab. Each puff a prayer, each drag a psalm. Me soul get still, me mind get calm. The smoke rise up, me spirit ascend. Me reason deep with Jah as my friend. This is me ganja psalms, me sacred song.
them call it illegal, them try to shame. But this herb grow before them name, before the books, before the law. Herb a grow and me ancestors saw in Ethiopia or Westmoreland. It rise from the roots of Jah and Ital smoke in a clear chalice. Me sit in silence, me find me bliss. Me no promote for every man, but who know truth, them overstand. It open portals in the mind, reveal the things Babylon hide. Me see through veil, me sight get clear. Me reason with angels, them draw near. This ain't no joke, no party puff. This is spiritual, deep and rough. Me chant in a grove where the wind a blow. Me feel earth pulse, me feel Jah flow. Them can't touch me in a space. Me soul shielded by Jah grace. This is me ganja songs, me sacred sound. Me float like leaf, me not touch ground. Me blazing peace, me chanting calm. Me link with Jah through ganja song. Me burn the fear, me rise above. Me full me lungs with sacred love. Me nah fi hide, me nah fi run. The herb and I, we move as one. Early morning sun a shine, me roll a split free a line. Me sit me roots, me stretch me limb, me chant a hymn, me mind no dim. Me teach the youth, show them path, me tell them truth, me speak fi art. Me show them say use herb wise, not fi escape but fi realize. Ganja is key, not toy nor game, not just high but higher aim. Meditation deep like sea, unlock soul and set it free. Ganja flame, me light with pride, me walk in truth, me nah go hide. Me live this way, cause me born this way. Me herb, me Bible, me smoke and pray. Jah bless me cup and fill me bowl. Let the herb uplift me soul, me burn this fire in your name. Me sing me ganja psalm again. Ayo, Kingston, skunk, smoke, yeah man. Me wake up on me earth, strong day. Me give thanks for Jah, me kneel and pray. No gift me want, no bling, no ring. Just a little piece, let the forest sing. Me birth now come from system light. Me born of sun, sea and the sky. Me mama strong, me papa wise. Me stand on roots, me never disguise. Me roll the herb with reverence. Me chant my soul, me find me sense. From me lungs to me medulla, it rise up truth, me feel it fuller. Earth strong warrior rise today. Burn them chains and walk your way. Smoke the herb and chant the fire. Meditate and climb up higher. Rastaman, again from pain. Me heal through rhythm, roots and rain. Celebrate life with every drop. Me live in love, me follow Jah law. Me nah born fi concrete street. Me come from hills when yam real sweet. Me granny teach me bush and bark. Me learn fi glow in light and dark. Each year me rise, me grow, me dread. Each season pass, me nah lose head. The fire inna me, not from reach, but from the wisdom of the sage. Me honor the drum, me honor the style. Me honor the hands that sweat and tile. Me drink me tea, me sit and pause. Me chant deep psalms, me praise Jah laws. Smoke rise up like incense burn. For every lesson, me still must learn. Me inhale love, exhale fear. Me vision bright, me heart sincere. Me surround myself with warrior crew. Each one hold firm, each one true. We nah need gold, nor gun, nor gate. We hold Jah love, and that feel great. Earth strong warrior, blaze it bold. Me story deep, me spirit old. Inna me circle, me herb ignite. Me rise like lion, full of light. Me nah bow down to Babylon plan. Me walk proud like ancient man. Me step with purpose, step with soul. Me journey long, but me heart whole. Ganja me gift, me sacrament. Me burn it clean, no false intent. Me offer it up to Jah throne. Me soul and the smoke, alone, alone. Me drift to space, me meet me guide. Me ancestors stand by my side. Them whisper say, you strong, you true. Me see Jah light shine bright in you. Me rest in grass, me hear the breeze. Me soul at peace, me mind at ease. This ain't just herb, this holy vine. Fi heal the body and soul combined. So light the fire, warrior true. This earth-strong chant, me share with you. From hills to valleys, spread it wide. Let Rasta rise and Babylon slide. Go, happy earth strong to the soul within. Celebrate love, let the life begin. One more turn pan Jah Jah wheel. Me chant, me smoke, me rise, me heal. Ho!
Na 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 na. Rastaman smoke a Shiley man. Me step light on the road so cold. In the mist, me story unfold. Me wear no crown, but me heart is bold. Me chant truths that Babylon sold. Me face hidden, but me soul shine bright. Me trod slow through the darkest night. No need for rage, no need for war. Me power is silence, me vision is far. In the shadows, me remain still. Listening to Jah, bending me will. Them can't see me, them can't trap. Me leave no trail, me set no map. Me a lion in the mist. Walking quiet, but me fist resist. Me no roar unless me must. Me voice come clean like ancient dust. Me no fight with teeth, me fight with light. In the mist, me hold me might. Me third eye open wide like moon. Me learn Jah timing, na move too soon. Me see deception, me feel the fear. But me walk with no worry near. Me herb bun sacred fi guide me pace. Me meditate in a sacred space. Me reason deep with stars above. Me hold the vibes, me spread the love. Them look for me in a obvious place, but me trod deep part in a Zion grace. Me no play game, me no play man. Me live for roots, me live for plan. Me silent like sunrise over sea. Me strong like drum, steady and free. Them think me soft, them think me gone, but me still stand long after storm. Me chant low under mystic moon. Me sing for the ones who rise up soon. Me no boast, me no show the flame, but me fire deep and it can't tame. Me a lion in the smoke, speaking riddle, never joke. Me teach with rhythm, heal with sound. Me walk in silence, stand me ground. Me no need crowd if you know me gift. Me rise and shine through Babylon drift. Me hear me elders in the breeze. Them whisper code through roots of trees. Them say lion no lose your calm. Your roar is the storm before the balm. Me light up chalice, me give Jah praise. Me mind elevate in holy blaze. Me remember all the fight them fought. Me carry it now in me thought. This is for every youth in the yard. Hold your ground when life get hard. Me speak in metaphor, move in grace. Leave Babylon without trace. Na na na, Rastaman is so high. Me rise early, sunrise aglow. Steam chalice bubble make spirit flow. Me give thanks for the breath me draw. Me chant psalms like ancient law. Birds a sing in a harmony sweet. Me walk barefoot on red dirt street. Me pick me greens from the hilltop side. Ital Vibration, me guide and pride. Me no in a rush, me no stress time. Me trudge apart like ancient sign. Every breath a blessing, every step divine. Me live with purpose, me reason fine.
vibration rising on me soul. Me nah bow fi silver, me nah chase gold. Pure meditation, roots control. Me chant down fear, me smoke fi console. Ital vibration run through me vein, wash me clean like natural rain. Me nah follow trend, me no play a game. Me chant your name and burn them shame. Me cook me stew pan firewood flame. Me feed me youth and give your name. Me build from love, me live from earth. Me know me value, me know me worth. Na na na, Rastaman is so high. Me rise early, sunrise aglow. Steam chalice bubble make spirit flow. Me give thanks for the breath me draw. Me chant psalms like ancient law. Birds a sing in a harmony sweet. Me walk barefoot on red dirt street. Me pick me greens from the hilltop side. Ital vibration, me guide and pride. Me no in a rush, me no stress time. Me trudge apart like ancient sign. Every breath a blessing, every step divine. Me live with purpose, me reason fine. Ital vibration rising on me soul. Me nah bow fi silver, me nah chase gold. Pure meditation, roots control. Me chant down fear, me smoke fi console. Ital vibration run through me vein, wash me clean like natural rain. Me nah follow trend, me no play a game. Me chant your name and burn them shame. Me cook me stew pan firewood flame. Me feed me youth and give your name. Me build from love, me live from earth. Me know me value, me know me worth. Me no envy who a flash champagne. Me sip coconut under the rain. Me reason with elders both overstanding. Me ground myself while Babylon crash landing. Me plant me food and me harvest joy. Me teach me youth them not destroy. Me smoke me weed fi clarity mind. Me burn illusion, me seek and find. Ital is vital, no doubt about that. Me not touch poison from them pot. Me grow me own, me reap me meal. Me live so clean, me spirit heal. Me no need million fi feel success. Me need the rhythm fi ease the stress. Me not in a war, me dey in a peace. Me burn Babylon from west to east. Me trod in a silence, me step is loud. Me soul chant louder than the crowd. Me link up nature, me full me cup. Me give Jah thanks when sun come up. Ital vibration, higher than plane. Me ride rhythm like lion mane. Ganja meditation, ease the strain. Me chant in a thunder, me sing in a rain. Ital vibration, me armor strong. Me walk through fire with sacred song. No man can stop when truth belong. Me live this liberty all life long. Me wrap me turban, me lock me ear. Me praise Jah Jah everywhere. Me live for Zion, me chant for light. Me blaze me herbs in a full moon night. Me honor me queen, me protect me king. Me listen when I a bingy drum them sing. Me live humble, me carry peace. Me know the power of the Rasta speech. Me dep on a mission, not just a vibe. Me build foundation, me build the tribe. Me no sell out, fi no quick gain. Me hold the line like lion chain. Ital food pan plate, meditation elevate. No beef, no hate, me chant love before it's late. Rasta liberty me live true, me born lies me subdue. In a hills or city view, me Ital life always shine through.
No, 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 Jah bless the people, Ganja. Forever your man. Me hear the drum, me feel the vibe. In the tribe, circle gather round, sacred fire, smoke rise high, like soul's desire. Me elders say, come you take seat, feel the ground beneath your feet. This ain't just spliff, it's sacrament. This ain't no high, it's heaven sent. Me close me eyes, me spirit soar. Me see me ancestors open door. Them chant and dance in timeless grace. In Naya Bingi smoke, me find me place. Naya Bingi smoke circle, blaze and rise. Rasta soul fly to the skies. One draw, one beat, one holy chant. Love and unity, all we want. Circle full of truth and flame. We burn Babylon, but not with shame. Jah guide we step, Jah hold the space. Smoke of wisdom filled with grace. Me nah need palace, me nah need crown. Me need one rhythm fi hold me down. Me need me crew, me need me herb. Me need some space fi bend Jah word inna the circle. Me release pain, me tears drop on the mountain plain. But me brethren hold me, me nah fall. Them say rise up youth, stand tall. Drum beat deep like out of the earth. Each rhythm a echo of rebirth. Me chant down fear, me chant up peace. In the smoke, me find release. Drum beat top, fire spark. Wolf now howl when lion bark. We not just smoke, we elevate. We vibrate high, we shift the state. The herbs connect with to your mind. Reveal the truth, them try hide behind. Meditation not just sit, it's fire chant. It's soul coming, Naya Bingi smoke circle. Pure and wise, truth in a rhythm, not disguise. We inhale light, exhale stress. We bless the earth, and earth bless. One drum, one draw, one sound unite. We burn in darkness, still shine bright. Gather the brethren, gather the queen. Let the smoke wash we spirit clean. Me float like feather, light and free. Me see the river, run to sea. Me spirit travel back in time to pyramids, an ancient sign. Me see Marcus pan the lion throne. Me see Bob singing with tone unknown. Me see the youth rise from despair. Me see the people start to care. Circle now break, we keep it round. Each puff of smoke, a sacred sound. Me nah lose self in Babylon's race. Me find me roots, me find me grace. Pass the chalice, pass the flame. We not smoke fi fortune or fame. We smoke fi connect, fi share, fi heal, fi turn illusion into real. So next time you feel alone and small, find the drum, answer the call. Circle calling, come take seat.
Aye, 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 aye. Rasta brother is so high. Barefoot on the mountain road. Me carry no weight, me drop that load. Me heart clean, me mind so still. Me walk to Zion by Jah will. Me drum a beat from deep inside. Me chant fi make me spirit guide. Each step a prayer, each breath a song. Me know Jah presence all along. Me burn a spliff fi clear the way. No worry reach me on this day. Me nah rush, me take it slow. Rasta move with the river flow. Rasta chant on holy land with staff and herb in a hand. Earth a speak and sky reply. We trod until we reach the high. Oh chant, oh chant. Let Jah spirit plant. Me meet a elder on the trail.
Him say, youth, keep your fire bright. No darkness can out your light. Me sight a lion in a grass. It not like it, know me path. Me nah fear no beast or sound. Me walk on sacred ancient ground. Smoke rise from me chillum cup. Wisdom rise, me soul erupt. Me not trod alone, me trod with voice. Each leaf a lesson, each step a choice. Under the tree me sit and chant. River run cool and gallant. Meditation pon the rock. Hear the ticking of Jah clock. The herb whisper like mountain breeze. The forest dance in silent peace. Me higher self come out to play. Me reason with Jah every day. Rasta chant fi cleanse the soul. Each vibration make me whole. No palace, me nah need throne. Jah kingdom live in flesh and bone. Oh chant, oh chant. Let the fire plant. When the sun sink low on the hills, me light me fire, burn me chills. Stars align like ancient scroll. Jah message deep, me hear it whole. Me no use phone, me use moonlight. Me read the sky in Jah own right. Me cook ital, me eat slow. The roots man wisdom always grow. Me rest me head on earth in bed. The forest sing, me nah feel dread. Me journey long but spirit high. Me trod till Zion fill the sky. So if you hear me from afar, me voice a light, me word a star. Me nah preach, me just reveal the power of love your heart can feel. Rasta chant not just a song, it a way fi live strong. Smoke the herb, beat the drum, meditate till kingdom come.
Na na na, kaya smoke ya man. Rise up, sun pon the mountain top. First light kiss, me dreadlock drop. Birds them sing like them know the way. New day dawn and me give Jah praise. Me wash me face with the cool stream flow. Blessings come from roots me know. No worry about stress or the Babylon mess. Me puff a little herb, me release the press. Irie rising, no compromising. Blaze up the chalice, me spirit climbing. Sunshine healing, high grade feeling. Rasta vibes pon the earth revealing. Me walk barefoot pon the red earth clay. Me reason with I self through Jah way. The mango ripe, the breeze so sweet. Me chant one psalm with an higher bingy beat. Me nah follow no clock or time. Me follow the stars and the ancient sign. Every inhale a holy rite. Me mind levitate in the morning light. One drop rhythm for me soul again. Me nah fight life, me ride the rain. Me nah take stress from system chain. Me live free like lion in a plane. Irie rising, no compromising. Blaze up the chalice, me spirit climbing. Sunshine healing, high grade feeling. Rasta vibes pon the earth revealing. Irie rising, no compromising. Blaze up the chalice, me spirit climbing. Sunshine healing, high grade feeling. Rasta vibes pon the earth revealing. Me sit on that tree like the prophet of old. Me close me eye and the silence bold. Breathe in Jah love, exhale the fear. Me inner voice speak, me mind get clear. Me sight the beauty in every sound. From crickets to leaves, them touch the ground. Each moment sacred, each step a
Rastaman. Roll the mango kush. Yeah, man. Me rise before the cockroach sound. Me feet touch earth, me spirit unbound. The morning mist kiss up me skin. Me give thanks, me praise fi begin. Me sip little tea, me burn the herb. Me chant a psalms, me speak Jah word. No sugar, no meat, just fruits and green. Me life so clean, me soul so serene. Ital living, roots and culture. Heart clean, no vulture. Smoke rise up to the sky. We give thanks, I and I. Me plant the seed, me watch it grow. Me talk to trees, me let them know. Them give me shade, them give me ear. In every leaf, Jah presence there. Me cook on fire, coconut oil. Me food no poison, me soil no spoil. Me sing while me grind the ganja leaf. Each breath me take, me soul find relief. Ital is the way of light. Jah guide me steps by day and night. No need no riches, no need no fame. Just love and truth in Jah holy name. Ital living, roots and culture. Heart clean, no vulture. Smoke rise up to the sky. We give thanks, I and I. Me meditate under the bamboo tree. Me mind feel light, me soul feel free. Lion of Judah, guard me gate. Me now walk fast, me elevate. Me listen to wind, me listen to bird. Each one chant a sacred word. Me nah need much, me carry peace. Me stress release, me joy increase. Me sit on hilltop with staff in hand. Oversee life, me overstand. Ital ways keep me spirit strong. Me know who I am, me know where I belong. Ital living, roots and culture. Heart clean, no vulture. Smoke rise up to the sky. We give thanks, I and I. Ital is the key, simplicity the door. Rasta don't rush, we chant more.